MTDCNC have travelled to southern Germany today. In fact, we flew into Stuttgart this morning. I'm with Martin Doyle from the Engineering Technology Group. We're here on a study tour. Martin, where are we going this week and what are we going to see?
Well, we've got a busy week ahead of us, Paul. So Monday, Tuesday, we're going to be visiting Stama. Wednesday, we'll be going to Bavius, previously known as Hantman. And then Thursday, Friday, we'll be down in Chiron.
And we're going to see some real technology in action, aren't we? All these aren't. We're not just talking about box shifting machines here. We're talking about extreme levels of technology and precision and performance.
Exactly that. I mean, the three partners we have are the principals that we represent here in Germany are absolutely the high end.
And you've brought all the sales team have come with you as well as some of the projects guys.
Full suite of guys. So we have 12 employees coming over, including little old me.
Is that to equip them with the knowledge of this sophisticated technology as well then?
Exactly that, yeah. It's important they're up to date with the latest technology, and as you can appreciate, the likes of Stama and Chiron constantly developing new machines, new technology, and it's important that we keep up to date with that.
Good stuff. So keep watching the channel because over the course of the next week or so there's going to be loads of stuff coming out from here in Germany. Thank you, Martin.
Thank you.